Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the chapter Arithmetic Progression, let's see what we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution.
So guys, as per the question, we need to find out the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. That means we are going to consider only the positive integers and they are divisible by 6, and we are going to find out the sum of the first 40 positive integers. And as it is divisible by 6, that means these are multiplication or these are multiples of 6 only. So we need to focus on the multiplication table of 6. Now let me write down the data whatever we have like this: first term, second term, third term and 40th term, because we are going to find out the sum of the 40th term, and we know because as it is a multiple of 6, so 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, and last term I am leaving blank because we don't know the 40th term how much it would be. So naming A1, A2, A3, A40. So this is the info that we have with us. Using this data only we are going to find out the sum of the 40th term, that means S40. We are going to find out the data for S40. So guys, that means for finding out the sum of S40 we require this value. Okay, now coming for calculating this value we require common difference, and guys we very well know that the common difference is equal to 6 because this forms an arithmetic progression, or at least we can do like this: A2 minus A1 is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. Now putting our as usual formula like an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So our main aim is to find out a40. So I can write a40 is equal to a1 plus 40 minus 1 into d, or I can write a40 is equal to a1 is 6 plus 39 d, or I can write a40 is equal to 6 plus 39 into 6. d is nothing but 6, so that is equal to 6 plus 39 into 6. It comes to 9 6 is 54, 6 3 is 18, 19 20 21 22 23, 234. So we are getting like 234 plus 6, therefore a40 is equal to 240. This is the data that we got for a40. We got a40 as 240. Now with the value of a40 as 240, definitely we can move ahead and find out the data for S40. So let's see how we are finding out S40. We will simply use the formula S2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. So let me write down the formula like 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. Now I can write 2S40 is equal to 40 into a1 plus a40. Here n is 40, or I can write 2S40 is equal to 40 into a1 is 6 plus a40 is 240, or I can write 2S40 is equal to 40 into 246, or I can write S40 is equal to 40 into 246 by 2, just bringing this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and once we solve the equation we are getting like 20 into 246, that is equal to 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 9, 2 2 is 4. We are getting 4920. Therefore S40 is equal to 4920. 20. That's all guys, this is our answer, and we can easily say that the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. Hope guys you understood this calculation, but still if you have any doubts or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.